All right, guys, I know you were checking out an infrared thermometer, and so I want to show you a couple reasons, and we're going to put it to the test to see how it actually works. So this is a Lasergrip 774 infrared thermometer by Etekcity. Okay, pretty awesome product here. It's going to go negative 58 Fahrenheit to 842 Fahrenheit, or negative 50 degrees C to 450 degrees C. Guys, freaking awesome range. Let's go ahead and crack it open here. It does have batteries pre-installed, which is super important, so good for you to know. You have some directions inside of it, so you have all the directions right here and a little let's chat function. Let's go ahead and open this up, make sure we're not going to miss anything with regards to the directions, and then we're going to pull the tab and see if we can do some testing. All right, so you got all the functionalities, pretty easy. You see the battery level on it, and it's pretty drawn out and easy to read. So nothing that you're going to be concerned about. Tells you unit conversion, laser activation, so you can turn the laser on and off by pressing one of the buttons. And then you have the backlight display as well. So super cool. As far as distance to spot ratio, it is a 12 to 1. 12 inches from the surface. The spot is 1 inch diameter. So that kind of gives you an idea. But I have a lighter right here. We're going to turn this torch flame on after we get it running here and see what it's like. So let's go ahead and pull the pull tab, just like so. There you have it. Once you click the trigger is going to pull everything up. Okay, we have laser. So once you do the laser, you can see on the table right there. So holding it by laser in 12 inches, the table is 68.5 degrees, and you can see it pop up right there. What's really cool is once you have already shot it, it's going to hold that. I'm not sure how long it actually will hold it for, but it definitely gives you a hold on it. On the left side of this, you can change. So let me go ahead and shoot this again. You can change your to C, so Fahrenheit, Celsius, right there, switching it. You can change the mode, okay? So your different mode options, and then you can turn it on and off here with a laser as well. So very, very simple to do that. But you guys come for the show and you want to see how this actually works. So we got a awesome torch right here. So let's go ahead and turn this guy on, and I'm curious as to how hot it actually gets. So let's see if we can actually run it. I don't know if it's going to. Oh, yeah, it is. 160. Now, it's kind of difficult. 170, 180. And you can see this climb here. I don't know if you guys can see that. You can see that climb right there. So we're at 123. Now, depending on where it's going to be shooting, it's going to determine how hot that's going to actually get. But you can see that climb, and that is pretty cool to watch in the reel making it happen. We've got 169, 170 degrees. Let's see, about 12 inches away. And 174 degrees. So there you have it. Works like a charm, in my opinion. Makes it super simple. So you can see right off the bat. Let's see if this gets hot. So I'm curious. Oh, yeah, that is cooking right there. And you can see this bounce around. I got the unit itself, like 104, 174. I mean, it's trying to get all these different materials around it, have different heats at this point in time, all the way from the dead center somewhere in the buck 90 at this point in time from a heat perspective. So it is that easy to use it. Guys, if you're looking to check out some different temperature gauges and see what's going on with the things that you're running, check out Etekcity. Their infrared thermometer is pretty awesome and going to get the job done really easy for you. Check it out.